Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Kisho. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Kisho. Absolutely, this video is very urgent for all Kisho holders, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Kisho is now a profitable coin in the cryptocurrencies market. Every time I found Kisho is in a positive mood, but let me show you the last 2 hours update. What's going on in the Kisho and the latest 2 hours. So you can see, my friend, that is the last 2 hours update. And first of all, the price of the Kisho is now still zero, low. So I think it's another opportunity for everybody to invest now in a Kisho, because the price of the Kisho is still low, my friends. Positive 0.93% the price increase, the price pump in the last 2 hours. In the currently highest price, I think 0.000001 USD dollar, low price. My friends, just look here, the price chart of the Kisho. Absolutely, in the beginning of the 2 hours the price pumps, but the latest situation is going wrong. The currently live situation of the Kisho is going wrong. So that is why now I'm worrying about that possibilities, my friend, that the price taken a huge dump, the price decrease for a long time. But I also recommend possibilities of the price pump. So now, my friends, I recommend for everybody in this time that if this falls, if this dump continue for the 4 hours, continuously 4 hours, so I recommend for everybody to sell. But after, if this falls continue for the 2 hours, 1 hour, so I recommend for everybody to hold for a long time, never decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction, and how do you feel today about a Kisho, good or bad? Tell me your opinion in the comment box. So just wait for it. If the price continuously falls for the 4 hours, so sell it. But if the price continuously for 1-2 hours, so never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.